Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my first vlog of being in LA. If you guys saw my most recent video, you would know that Mo and I are in LA for 3 weeks. We are super excited about that length of time. We rented an Airbnb for our time here in LA because we will be here for quite a long time, so we wanted to feel really comfortable and have like our kind of home amenities of the kitchen and a washing machine and more space than what we would have at a normal hotel. So I will show you guys that probably tomorrow. The weather here is so beautiful. I cannot believe that this is like winter. It's around 20 degrees right now and it's sunny and the sky is completely clear and very, very blue. It is just so nice. We're actually gonna go out now to have some lunch and enjoy the weather and enjoy the day. We've been working a little bit this morning. We had a few things that we had to get done and now they're done, so that's great. And now we're gonna go and have lunch and enjoy the day outside. It is also New Year's Eve today, so it's the 31st of December, so it's the last day of 2019. So we're gonna go and get some nice things for dinner. We're gonna have a cute little dinner at home and some champagne and just have a nice cozy night in. We are still pretty jet lagged, so I don't even know if we'll make it up till midnight, but we just wanted to do something quite cute and cozy at home and then have this whole trip be like our New Year's Eve and New Year's celebration.
Like you, I would watch the days go by, wasted in blue. I was out of use. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air, and every day, everywhere.
We are now sitting at lunch. We're sitting at Urth Cafe. We just ordered a nice big green salad, and then Mo's ordered a turkey burger and also a little salad on the side. So we have had lunch. We are now walking down on Melrose Avenue. This is the street here that has really cute like little restaurants and shops, but it's such a nice day today. It's warm. We are in just a little t-shirt and blazer and it's really nice, so we just wanted to walk outside a little bit, which is not very common in Los Angeles. You normally drive everywhere, but this is a nice little street where you can walk a little bit. We are now back home and we are about to have our little New Year's Eve celebration. Very casual and cute and cozy. We're having some kombucha. This is kind of like our champagne, but we also have a little champagne over there. This is the Health Aid Kombucha Bubbly Rosé. And this is a cauliflower crust pizza with veggies, so it's gluten-free. This is something that we definitely don't have in Europe, but it's such a cool idea. morning, everyone. It is the next day. It is January 1st today. So I want to wish you guys an amazing new year. I genuinely wish every single one of you watching the most incredible year, a year filled with success, health, love, happiness, a good home, and just lots of love and health for you and your family and all of your friends as well. So I really hope this is going to be an amazing year for you guys, and also an amazing decade, because it is 2020, so it is the start of a new 10 years. I know for us this decade is going to be very special because we will hopefully have kids, start a business, and maybe even move countries. So I'm very excited about these next few years to come. Last night we had the most relaxed and chill New Year's Eve I've ever had. We were very jet lagged still, so I think we made it up to like 10:30 or so. We were really trying, but it was honestly just perfect, and we're just so happy to be here and have this whole trip be like our New Year's celebration. And we woke up feeling really great, which is amazing for the first day of the year. I did a workout at home, the Melissa Wood Health workouts that you guys might know that I do, the Pilates and the yoga. So I did one of those. I just rolled out a yoga mat, which they have here, and then I brought my own yoga mat towels so that I feel a bit more clean. So I feel great. The weather today is amazing. So I think we're gonna go for a hike a little bit later on, but first we're gonna have breakfast. I'm gonna show you guys a tour of this Airbnb that we're staying at, and then we'll head out into the hike.
There's nothing that I can say or do, and it seems that words won't change a lot.
So I've just made us some breakfast. I'm having some oatmeal with cinnamon, honey, vanilla, and then some bananas and some berries and walnuts on top. And then Mo is having some scrambled eggs with spinach and tomato and some gluten-free toast. This is made with rice. It's a really cool toast that tastes really good, and it's super healthy. And then it's got some avocado, some chili flakes, and salt and pepper on top. All right guys, we've just finished up breakfast, and I now want to show you a little tour of our Airbnb. So this is our Airbnb here in Los Angeles. So the first thing that you see is our living room. It has a very nice gray couch, which is quite comfortable and cozy. I love the like minimalistic design of this apartment. Everything is very chic and modern. I love this white marble table as well. And then here we have a TV, this console table. I love the wood. And then on the other side of the living room, we have the kitchen and the kind of dining area. So this is actually one of my favorite parts of this apartment, and one of the main reasons why we wanted to get an Airbnb instead of a hotel, because we will be here for 3 weeks. I wanted to have a space where we could cook. We have a refrigerator and a freezer, so we can buy groceries and just make, you know, meals at home, and we don't always have to be out and eating at restaurants. So that's really nice. We also have a dishwasher, a toaster, and we also have a washer and dryer, which is amazing, again because we will be here for quite a long time, so it's nice to just, you know, wash underwear and workout clothes and things like that. We also have this little coffee maker here and a Vitamix, you guys, a Vitamix. This was one of the things that really sold me when I was looking for apartments for us, because I love to make my smoothies in the morning, as you guys probably know. It's really nice that we have a Vitamix here as well. And then to one of my favorite parts, this is our nice big fridge. If you guys have seen my videos from back home, you'll know that our fridge is literally tiny. It's so small, and I love to cook, so I love to have fresh groceries. So this has just been such a treat to be able to have all of this space. I will show a grocery haul the next time we go grocery shopping, but here we just have a few like little essentials. We've got sweet potato, some greens, ginger, cucumbers, some fruit, coconut yogurt, eggs, tomatoes, hummus, things like that, some oat milk and salad dressing, and these like little shots and juices. This is a green juice, with celery, cucumber, spinach, romaine, kale, lemon, parsley, and some ginger shots. And this is half a shot. Did you just take half of it?
Yes, it was so spicy. I almost burned my stomach. It was like in the morning. It's very spicy, baby.
Yeah, it's got ginger root, cayenne pepper, elderberry, and oil of oregano. So you're supposed to take a whole of these, but Mo just took half. I also love this little centerpiece here in the kitchen. This is where we have our food, like our breakfast and things like that. It's just very cute. And I also got these flowers yesterday at Whole Foods. They are so beautiful and they smell amazing, especially these ones, the lilies. We've got some lemons here.
Essentials, guys, essentials.
Having my lemon water in the morning, and they just add so much freshness to the kitchen as well. So let's move on to the bedroom. This is where we sleep at night. We have a nice big white comfortable bed. The sheets here are actually very soft. I'm very impressed with that. And it's just a very cozy, like fluffy bed. It's really nice. Very minimal again.
First thing we got is essentials, guys.
We got a bed spray.
We got a
lavender bed spray.
And it is actually quite nice. Before you go to bed.
So again, the style is very minimalistic, modern, but we like that. We don't like too much clutter and too many like wild prints and things going on. So it's just a very nice, calm, neutral, modern, fresh space. We also have a nice big mirror here. I love mirrors in an apartment. It always makes it look a little bit bigger, and it's great for when you're getting ready as well. Here are our closets, and this is our view from our bedroom. I love that we can see so many palms, and the sky is just so beautiful and blue and clear. The weather here is honestly just amazing. And then through this way, this is our bathroom here. I love these blue tiles here behind the shower. I think that is so beautiful and very like Grecian almost. And then we also have this little window here on top that we can actually open when we shower. It's really, really nice, and I love that you can just see like palm trees and the sky. It is beautiful. Okay, we're back in the living room, and this is a place here where they have the dishes, some bowls, plates, glasses. And then Mo, do you want to continue the tour? We have this incredible outdoor space here, which is amazing. I love that we have like an indoor / outdoor living situation here. It is so amazing, especially because the weather here is usually very nice, so we can really take advantage of that as well. So this is one side of the outdoor space. We've got a lot of greenery, and then something super cool is that the window actually opens from the kitchen.
Ciao!
So you can be in the kitchen, you can make food, you can put it right over here, and then you can sit on these stools and enjoy your breakfast or your lunch or your coffee outside. So there's also this outdoor eating area here. We have a nice big wooden table with some chairs, and you can also sit here and have lunch, have a tea, just sit and chat. I have to show this to you guys at nighttime as well, because they do have these little lights all over, so it's just very cute and cozy, and I just love it. I love it so much. And this is what it looks like when you look into the apartment from the outdoor space. It's really nice. This is the bathroom again over here. I also love that we have these windows on the ceilings, so it actually lets in quite a lot of light, like natural light, which makes it nice and bright here inside. And the whole space is just very open and airy. Have another set of windows right there. So yeah, I am obsessed with this place. I think it is so cute and just perfect for our stay here in LA. Love it. So now you guys can see where we're staying, and when I'm vlogging and things like that in the future, you kind of have like a better orientation and feel like you're here with us. I'm preparing us some lunch right now. I've made a salad here with some tomatoes and cucumber, and then I've got some quinoa right there on the bottom, which you can't really see because the salad is covering it, but there is quinoa there. And then I'm making some sauteed kale and Brussels sprouts, just very simple. I just put a little bit of olive oil in the pan and some water, and then I threw in the kale, the cut up Brussels sprouts, and then I seasoned it with some salt and pepper, lemon juice, some chili flakes, which is just this one right here. And then I've also put on some everything but the bagel seasoning. This is so good. So I'm gonna put this on top of the salad, like so. It's gonna be like a warm veggie bowl style salad. And for dressing, I'm gonna try this herb goddess from Organic Girl. This has got fresh herbs, and I like this one because the ingredients look very, very clean and minimal. These are the ingredients. It's got sunflower oil, lemon juice, basil, green onion, apple cider vinegar, tahini, parsley, agave nectar, garlic, and some salt and pepper. So let's give this a try. Alright guys, we are hiking up Runyon Canyon, and we are on the west trail. So there's 3 trails, which I didn't really know about before we could see the actual map, but I think this is one of the more challenging ones. There's a lot of uphills and a lot of like dirt road kind of thing. I'll show you guys. So this is what it looks like right now. There's just some pretty steep parts, so you really do get a good workout. And this is another road, which is like the main paved road. It's beautiful. Such a nice way to start the year in the sun, working out.
Listen guys, this is actually very intense. I didn't expect it to be that intense.
This is another trail that you can do like kind of on the main road. And then there's an east trail, which is that one over there.